Alright, so today we are replacing a tail light bulb because for some reason this one right here isn't even in. So I found a couple in my little toolbox at home and test them out, see which one works. Now this is a pretty simple job, a lot easier than I have found on several other vehicles. Rather than having to pop off the whole lens, you actually come right inside here, pop off this little vented cover, also PSA included, I believe. This little upholstery, oh nope, that's for the gas. Never mind, I have no idea why you would need that down here. Originally I thought it was going to be a trunk release, but apparently not. So I just crawl back in here. This is actually, sorry you can't really see, but there's a little clip right in here that you'll pull down, if I can find it. Somewhere in here. Pull down or pull up? Can't find it without the light. It is dark out here. But there's a little clip you'll pull on, pop the little cover off, easy access to replace the bulb. Okay, so I got the bulb housing out. This is that little tab I was talking about. So you push that tab up and this whole housing just pops right out. So I gotta replace that top one right there, and hopefully these old bulbs I have work. Alright, so that bulb is in, and now you can see that it is definitely working. I had replaced it with a different one first, and there was something up with the connection. It didn't want to light up. I had to twist it weirdly to get it to actually light up. And I was like, I don't know if I want to use that one, so I switched it out with one of my other old bulbs, and it seemed to connect a lot better. So then you just pop this cover back into place, and the light bulb replacement is done.